It's Jeff J here, and I'm back for another video. Stop talking, I'm in the middle of my intro. This is the second time.
Okay, then go in my house. Give me some.
I got chests in my inventory. I'm gonna tell them.
Here, I'll put some treasure chests.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it just needs a one glow stone.
I have torches.
I'll use one glow stone.
Too bad.
I need so much time.
I have torches. You like it?
Yeah. Where's the hole?
Right here.
She doesn't have to pay me because she's allowed in. Because she'll let me in. Her house, right? We'll go to someone.
Harley likes mine the most.
No. That will blow my house up. Get off me. Get off my house. Is that the one that for me or you? Is that the orange and green and black one for you or Hannah?
Oh, that's for you.
Oh,
I
okay.
said I'm only making 3 boats.
For me? Only there's
No, you're getting 2.
Me get 2 and she gets 1?
Yeah.
Okay, then can make me
2 houses?
no one. Yeah, 2 houses and
You're only getting 2 houses then.
and also can make me some more after you're done and you get a break off building.
But I'm gonna need to build my own house.
Okay, after you're done building your own house, I'll ask you for more stuff. After you make all the other stuff. After you're done building all our stuff that I asked for, and also you're done with that. Well, hold on.
This one's not gonna have a thing on its
Let's
roof.
go in the tree house. I want to show you my house. Well, it's time for bed. I'm getting bed. Sorry.
I'm not.
Okay, you build. If you want. I'll go in tomorrow. No, you're ready. I don't even have anything in my craft. Oh, I'm doing it in my tree house right now because I don't want to use my house. Fine, I'll go in your tree house. What? It's not saying it's not. It's saying it's not saying. Where?
Alright, the roof of this one's is a rainbow.
I was going out this.
Hannah, I'm on your roof.
Get off my roof! I got doors there.
I'm not here. I just jump in the water.
You want in my house? You're not getting in.
I want in though.
Then right here's one. Look at my other door. No, that's my beautiful door.
I'm not at your door.
Yeah, he left. Hey, Hannah. Hannah, I'm right here. Behind
Yeah,
you.
I'm
Look
where
at
the
house.
lava is. I just burnt myself.
No, not that door, Harley. Not that door. Too late. Ian. Seriously. I was going to go in the water. Where's the hole? For the water. No. Hey. Right here. This is where I wanted you to go in first.
Alright, there is a spider on your roof of your miniature boat.
Look it. And it's fun. It's adventurous. See?
There was a spider on the roof of your miniature boat.
Then kill it for me.
I'm heading into your house to put lights in.
No. Wait, I want to go in here. This one.
Did you see your miniature boat, Harley? Come to your miniature boat.
You're crouching.
Go to your miniature boat. I'm going through the front door. Right here. Guys, we should all have a bed in Hannah's house.
See how I crouch? See, I'm crouching. No wonder you just slowly crouch.
Guys, let's all go to sleep in Hannah's house. There's 3 beds. I go middle. I go middle.
Fine.
You better not take the middle. We all got a spawn point now. We all got our spawn point.
There, now get out of my house. Hombre. You
Aww.
guys can go out this door, you know. This one.
I'm going out this door. It's closer to the fleet of ships.
Well, this one's even closer.
Excuse me. I'm already at the fleet of ships.
Ta-da. Hold on, I can't shut the door. Okay, you got it.
No, I'm just gonna make 3 houses.
And aren't you still gonna?
Hannah gets 1 house.
Aren't you still gonna make the 3?
No, I can't. I can't make any more boats. I'm done with boats. Sorry. But I'll make a shed for you guys also. That one's Harley's also.
Yeah, but Hannah
Come on. I'm building a house. Do you wanna play Minecraft?
And once you're done, if you can make a boat, once you're done with your house, and I can make a boat, I know how to. Like,
I know, I was doing that as a meme. Do you wanna play Minecraft? Isn't that a good song? But I'd be doing by my house really cool. I mean, my boat. This is my area to build a house. This is my area. That's my boat. That's why I said this is my area. I'm above you. This is my area. On my land. There'd be a stack of iron. Ingots. Because I'm supposed to be building a house here. I'm kidding. Fine, give me a stack of green wool. Lime wool. It's only lime wool. And you destroyed my land. I'm talking to him. Harley, will you pay me lime wool since you destroyed my land? Hannah. My Minecraft.
I blew up your house.
You all blow up my boat. As I blow up your face. I'm building your house. You would have to fill up another double chest of obsidian, gold, iron and gold. Not iron and gold, but diamond and emerald. I just said. I'm building your house right now. I'm not building Hannah boat anymore before house now because she destroyed my land. And I'm mad about it.
Is this your house that's flat?
No, this is Harley's. I'm making it entirely black. And red. Do you like my crazy build, Harley, for your house? It's over by my boat. Anna! That's it. I'm done. I'm no longer playing. No. I worked very hard on that goddamn boat. You know I worked hard on that. You had no right. I'm done playing with you guys. How would you like if I blew up your boat?
Not a boat.
Or your house?
Not a house.
My main office.
Not an office.
How would you like if I blew it up?
Not it.
I will blow it up. Shouldn't have blew up mine. You left your mouse at Grandpa's.
That was mine. It was mine. Leave me alone.
Don't blow up crap that's not yours.
Butthole. Leave me alone, you butthole. Let it. Fuck alone. Ow.
Oh, you want to break it.
That's Alex's computer.
No, it's not actually. Oh. Now you're getting it. Oh, I did nothing to you. That's it. You're not getting this back.
Okay. I'm not gonna freaking touch her. You like me, I'll call the police.
Was I recording? As you guys seen, guys, she blew up my freaking boat with no right. So let's create a new world. Create random. It's gonna be survival, creative world. Until I decide to let them play with me again. This is gonna be another 20-minute video, hopefully.